I'm now going to deal with the subscribe page and with the suggest page. This is another good occasion to use the reusable template that I have just created in the previous video. I start with the subscribe page, and like for all the other templates, I define the page settings. The export name first, the preview URL, the post template name, then I choose to use this template for pages only. I select the header, and like for the previous documents, I set the reusable template part action and select the main header template part. I do the same with the navbar, and this time I select the main navbar template part. I select the main section, and I add the Show Post Smart Action. I set the post title action to the title. And I set the post content to the paragraph. I select the form, then add the form smart action. I enter the form ID. I select to send to mail option. Because this element is available in the Webflow template, I set the success element selector. Then I set the error element selector. From the tree, I see a link to the home page. So I add the site link action and I set it to home. The suggest page being very similar, I proceed to the exact same actions. I save, then export the theme. From my local WordPress, I open the subscribe page, then select the corresponding template. Then I select the suggest template and I select the right template as well. From the front end, I can now successfully test my forms. My new WordPress theme, created with Pinegrow Theme Converter and using a Webflow template, is now fully functional and everything is working as expected.